Hello everyone. Now in the previous video we have looked at the power rule and we have seen that the derivative of a function, let's say x raised to power n with respect to x, we get the derivative by looking at the power here. We pre-multiply that power, we write n, then x. Now the power will reduce t by 1. So we have 4 examples here which we are going to work upon, and we apply this rule. Now in Roman numeral 1 we have x raised to power 9. So to find the derivative, that is the derivative of x raised to power 9 will be, we write 9, we multiply 9 times x raised to power, now we get 9 minus 1. And when we get 9 minus 1, we get 8. So the answer will be 9x power 8. In Roman numeral 2, we have to find the derivative of x raised to power negative 3. We do the same. We have negative 3 as the power, so we write negative 3 times x. Then the power is negative 3, we reduce it by 1. We get negative 3 times x power negative 4. We can again write it as negative 3 over x power 4, law of indices. In Roman numeral 3, we have the cube root of x. So the derivative of this cube root of x with respect to x can as well be written as the derivative of x cube root of 3, the cube root of x, the same as x power third. So again here we look at the power is negative a third, then times x. Now this negative, so the power is a third, so this a third is pre-multiplied to our term here, then we get a third minus 1. So minus 1, we can write it as 3 over 3, it is the same. So you can see that we get a third, then a third minus 1, we get negative 2, so x power negative 2 thirds. So that is also done. Then finally we have the derivative of 1 over root x. So 1 over root x is the same as 1 over x power a half, which is the same as x power negative a half. So the derivative of this can be written as, we get the, look at the power is negative a half, so we multiply that power. Then where we have x, the power is negative a half, we again reduce it by 1. So negative 1 or negative 2 over 2, it is the same. So this will give us negative 3 over 2. So our answer will be negative x power negative 3 over 2, then divided by 2. Hope it is easy. It is very easy to apply the power rule. We just reduce the power by 1, but we first pre-multiply the power before we reduce it. So if it is n, we put multiply n, then the n will reduce by 1 in the final answer. So that is the power rule.